Sushi rice is a short grain rice that has been seasoned with sushi vinegar. It has a slightly sticky and fluffy texture. It's perfect for sushi roll and nigiri.
Measure 360 short grain rice. Transfer the rice to a bowl and rinse the rice in cold water. Change water and rinse again. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times until the water runs clear. This is important to remove excess starch and ensure the rice is clean. After washing the rice, drain well. Transfer the rice to a bowl. Combine the rinsed rice and water and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. After soaking, bring the rice and water to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Don't lift the lid during cooking, as this will release steam and affect the cooking process. After the rice has cooked, turn off the heat, mixing the rice from the bottom. If you see water on the bottom, cook until evaporate all of water. Let it sit covered for an additional 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your rice is ready. Sushi vinegar is made of these 3 ingredients: rice vinegar, salt, and sugar. Heat it up medium-low heat. Keep mixing until all dissolved. Transfer the rice to a bowl. While rice is still hot, add the rice vinegar to the rice. With a rice paddle, gently slice the rice to incorporate the sushi vinegar mixture and separate the chunk of rice. Cool it down the rice quickly with a fan. Gather all single of the rice. Keep the sushi rice covered with a wet towel until making sushi.